If you don't love what you do, you're never going to be the best at it.
You can run a crane however you want.
You need to think, double think, triple check.
That's your whole life, really.
This is the grand final of the Game of Cranes, in a series of challenging tasks centered around safety, skill, and technical understanding. Whoever wins the final will earn the title Game of Cranes World Champion. And these are our 5 candidates.
My name's Nick Jackman.
I'm Kirk Smith.
I'm Scott White.
Meu nome é Leonardo Navarro.
Hi, my name's Joey Fisher.
And this is Game of Cranes.
Feel the energy.
Pressure? There was no pressure.
So the first challenge, which was to do about, load securing,
When you have to do like a bit of rigging and hooking up loads and that.
you have to get outside of your own head. You've got to get into the zone. This is normal, this is what you do, and then answer everything correctly.
In Australia, it was a little bit different to the rules here. So, I just wanted to make sure I sort of done it right, like the way they wanted it. No, that was sort of the trickiest thing, you know what I mean?
It is the Hell House.
Station 2, Precision Under Load. The participants maneuver a freight container that holds several balls balanced on pylons inside. Every movement determines whether they stay in place or tumble down. Any rough or abrupt motion results in a loss of points. Only calm, controlled crane operation earns a full score.
And this went amazing.
Então, bom operador, né? Exatamente o que a Liebherr cobrou no Game of Cranes.
The challenges are really putting all our skills to the test.
Yeah, the challenges are actually get your heart going.
Oh, I'm glad that's over with. A lot of pressure in that round. That was really hard.
But that is what a challenge is all about.
Station 3, Pour a Beer. Here, precision meets finesse. A steel plate carries 2 arms, one holding a beer bottle, the other a glass. Using a dual hook setup, the operators lift and tilt the arms just enough to pour the perfect beer.
So are you judging me on how well it pours into the cup?
Wind, timing, and absolute control decide whether it's a clean pour or a foamy disaster.
Cool little exercise pouring the beer.
Yeah, it was not real tedious. You have to be nice and careful pouring that. I didn't want to spill a drop of beer. You don't want to waste it.
Station 4, the tunnel. A load must be guided through a tight parkour, demanding clean, steady, and highly sensitive control. Every movement counts, as even minor contact shows who can truly handle the load with finesse.
Don't say that makes me nervous.
This station is all about accuracy, rhythm, and smooth operation.
To be fair, you've got so much going on.
Mas conseguimos finalizar dentro do tempo, dentro do prazo. Tive alguma dificuldade na hora do trajeto bem apertado.
Very well done, no touch.
No, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah.
I think it was station number 5 with electrified ring.
Yeah, the hot wire challenge was just my absolute favorite.
That was a pretty interesting one because you have to think about the dynamics that the 2 lines have on each other on the slew ring itself to get it up and around. And I think the idea behind it is brilliant with the buzzer and all the creativity in between.
Something from our school days where you would use your hand to do that and to figure something out that incorporates a crane. It's so clever and innovative.
2 days of high tension and 5 challenges.
Not had much sleep the last 2 nights.
It has to be a passion that you love.
This wasn't just about operating a crane. It was about absolute precision under maximum pressure.
Me sinto extremamente gratificante por toda a experiência que você faz. A imersão de experiência é fantástica.
I got more out of it than what I ever could have expected.
Yeah, flying home with a good feeling.
But in the end, there can only be one winner, and we have found him.
Who is it? The world champion of the Game of Cranes. It's Scott White from City Lifting UK. I'm more than happy. Congratulations to you.
Oh, what? Yeah, mental. Thank you so much. This means the absolute world to me. And yeah, being here and being with everyone, and yeah, I feel that the friends I've made along the way with the contestants, that we're all winners. So this is amazing. If you've got everything around you, the stars align and everything falls right, then yeah, it'll be there. And here we are. #1 in the world. 2027. I'm coming for you.